Today I'm going to show you how to make the best creamy, buttery tasting mac and cheese, homemade. I must share this recipe with you, so stay tuned. Here we go. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're still in great health as well. Today we're going to make some homemade mac and cheese. Can't go wrong with that. We're going to need elbow macaroni. You can use whatever cheese that you like. So I'm going to use medium cheddar, Colby and Monterey Jack, and I picked up this ragu double cheese, paprika, black pepper, sour cream, milk, and butter. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Is that not macaroni and cheese? But doesn't that look delicious? Look at that. This is how you know it's actually done. When it starts browning on the outside of the edges, you can pretty much ensure that it's done. Let me come back out so you can actually see. See this brown crisp right here? See how crispy it is around the edges? And it's not sticking. It is going to be delicious, y'all. As you see, it is so cheesy on the top. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to dig into this creamy, delicious mac and cheese. Yes, indeedy. Look at that, look at that. I want y'all to see the creaminess of this. Can you see that macaroni and cheese? Look how cheesy it is, y'all. Yes, Jesus. Yes, this may be my go-to. Alrighty, we got cheese still floating in there. Does that not look scrumptious? Get it closer for you. Oh, look at all that cheese. Now, I did not add any paprika to the top of it yet, so that's the only thing that I'm missing. But you can see the pepper. Does that not look delicious, you guys? Oh, yes. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Y'all, I'm not joking. This is some great macaroni and cheese to make. No eggs. Use sour cream and milk and that jar of ragu cheesy sauce. I wanted to get a close-up of this so you can actually see the inside. Look how it did not stick. Oh, it is so buttery, you guys. This is delicious. Try the recipe. Let me know what you think about it. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 so we can get to 1,000 subscribers. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Feel free to leave a comment if you choose to about this recipe as well. Until then, God bless you, and I'll see you on the next upload. Have a great evening.